I will talk about how can you add Bluetooth search on your app. Will you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app? So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on manually add Bluetooth search. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here can you use your location here, and here can you add this Bluetooth. When you click here on allow Bluetooth, it's going to show for you here. Then can you select type of device here you want to add on your app. So here can you if you want to add camera or any of this here, that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.